What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Bitcoin because we almost tested this main resistance area that I'm watching here on a daily time frame, and if certain conditions are met, then I'm expecting that Bitcoin is gonna do another huge pump. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm currently watching on Bitcoin, or if you are interested about the exact price that I think Bitcoin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a daily time frame. As I said in the intro, right now I'm watching here this bearish order block, which is between level 72k and 68k 500. Right now I think there is pretty high probability that we are gonna test this bearish order block area, because we broke here this lower high pattern. You can see that, for example, this high was lower than this one, this high was lower than this one, this high was lower than this one. So you can see that with this previous high we broke this formation, and right now we are having here an increased bullish volume. If we are gonna test this area, then you should definitely get rid of at least some of the positions, because in this area I'm definitely planning to take some profits from my long position, because this is really important resistance. And you can see we are under this area for at least like 216 days, so this is quite a long time. So if you want to use this area to open here a long trade, then you should definitely wait for a breakout and then support confirmation. And if this condition is met, then I'm waiting here for a potential long trade. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case you can place under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And your last take profit target you can, for example, place under like 85k, something like that, or you can place it under 90k, which is, in my opinion, the bullish level that we can get once we will, let's say, do here a support confirmation, and once we will reach a new all-time high. I'm not saying that this is the high that we will see in the upcoming bull market. I think we are gonna get much higher, but for this current run, I think this is definitely a level that you can aim for. On the other hand, you can use this bearish order block as a potential short entry. So if there will be a breakout, what with a fake out and then a resistance confirmation, you can use it for a short trade. Stop loss in this case you want to place above the high that we will create during the fake out, so let's say, for example, something like this. And your last take profit target you can place under this bullish order block, because again, if we are gonna test this area, then I'm expecting that we can go here for a liquidity grab, which means we are gonna take liquidity under these previous lows, and this trade can give you risk reward ratio up to 4.4. So this is worse than the long trade that I showed you on a daily time frame, but this is still a tradable setup. So if you want to create here a short trade, then I think this is potentially the best setup that you can currently take. Of course, in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you, for example, want to take like above this previous highs, then above this previous lows, then above this bullish order block, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. To be specific, this bullish order block is between level 61k 260 and 59k $16. So yeah, this is definitely an area that you can aim for. If you want to take some trade on a lower time frame, then you should definitely check a 12-hour chart. Here I'm watching this bearish order block, which is between level 69k and 800 and 68k 200, and you can see that right now we are testing this bearish order block. I think that this bearish order block on a daily time frame is more important, but you can see these two areas are kinda similar. Also, we have here this second bearish order block, which is really slightly above this this first one. You can see it's like 2% of a net market, so you can't use this, like, I mean, breakout and then support confirmation for a long entry, because we still have like an important resistance above it. So for some long trade you should definitely check a daily time frame, but if you still wanna do a long trade on a 12-hour chart, then you should check these two bullish order blocks. So if we are gonna take a liquidity liquidity under, which also means that we are gonna take liquidity under like this bullish order block on a daily time frame with a fake out and then a support confirmation, then you can open here a long trade. Of course, the best setup will be valid in case of a liquidity grab under the level of 57,600, but yeah, if we are gonna do like liquidity grab just under the first one, you still want to wait for a support confirmation and then you can entry a long trade. But let's assume we are gonna take liquidity under this previous lows. Honestly, I'm not saying that this is gonna happen. I think market is pretty bullish right now and there is still higher probability that the market is gonna go up against is gonna go down, but let's now take a look on the exact trade. Stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and the entry will be somewhere in the bullish order block after fake out and then support confirmation, and then your last take profit target you can place above this bearish order block on a 12-hour chart, because you can see this bearish order block is kind of similar with that one on a daily time frame. So yeah, this can be also a main scenario that you can watch on Bitcoin, but as I said, I'm not saying that we are gonna test this area, but if we will, I'm watching here this exact setup. And if you, for example, want to help with trading, or if you want to copy my exact trades, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing there those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. And if you are looking for some scalp trade on really low time frame, then you should definitely check 1 hour chart on which I'm watching this bullish order block, which is between level 62k300 and 62k65. So if we are gonna take liquidity under with a support confirmation, you can open here a long scalp trade. Stop loss, again, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and the last take profit target you can place under the current high. Of course, if we will not create here, let's say, another high, in that case you need to place the last take profit target under the high that we will create in this run. But yeah guys, these were the main setups that I'm currently watching on Bitcoin, and as I said, if you want to copy my exact trades, definitely check out my Discord trading group. It's completely free and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah guys, this will be all for me for today. Thanks again for watching this video till the end. I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also you can type me in the comments what crypto I should do next. But yeah guys, as I said, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.